Now that we are done with the unordered list and we were able to understand how to use them, let's go and discuss the ordered list element that will be representing an ordered list of items, which will be typically rendered as a numbered list. For us to be able to create an ordered list, we will need to use the OL element. Similar with the UL element, you will need to go and put list item, the LI element, inside of it. So let's go and create multiplied by 5 here. Let's save that. You would see here that by default, it will be marked with numbers. So if I go put here code for 1 hour a day. Let's save that and refresh. So by default, you would see that there's a list of numbers here from 1 to 5. Now let's go add some content here. Exercise 20 minutes a day. Then save at least 20% of money for investment and recreation. Here, another thing that I usually do is practice my cyber security skill set. And for the last one, let's just say evaluate the things that I've done during the day. Things I've done during the day. This is a good practice for me. I usually create an evaluation of the things that I'm doing every day, so at least I will be able to know if I was able to accomplish something that will be bettering myself for that specific day. So as you can see here, we now have some content. For us to be able to replace the list item marker of our ordered list, we can use the type attribute of the OL element. If we go and type here type attribute and then type 1, you would see that there's a IntelliSense telling us what are the different types of markers that we can use for the OL element. The type 1 here means that the list items will be numbered with numbers, which is the default value. So if we save this, nothing will happen. Now, if we replace it with type A, you would see that this will be replacing the numbers with the uppercase letters here. Now, if we want to replace it with a smaller case, let's just save this. Use the letter A, small letter A. If we want to use a Roman number, let's use the big I here. Save that. And we want to use the lowercase Roman number. Save that. And you would see that those are the item list options that we have for the ordered list. Now, if we want to go and control the list here, let me just change this back to 1. By default, it will be starting from 1, but if you want to start from counting from a specified number, you can use the start attribute. So let's go try and do that. Now, I hope you got the idea on how to use this. So let's just remove this and let's go with the default value